students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel Online Math Classes. Our today's topic is compound interest and geometric sequence. This is our second session on this same topic, compound interest and geometric sequence. In our previous video, first of all, we had known about the formula which gives us the amount when the bank is calculating the interest as compound interest. Okay, we had found the amount formula and we had seen that the amount terms indeed follow a geometric sequence pattern. That means there exists a common ratio between them. We had seen that. And that is why we are saying compound interest calculation using the geometric sequence. Okay? Because there exists a common difference between the amount terms. And then we had solved a question using that formula to get the amount after a certain period of time and as well as the compound interest during that period. Okay. Now today we will be solving two more questions based on this compound interest and geometric sequence. Okay. So without any further delay, let us move on to the first question of this session. How much should I invest now to yield $25,000 in 3 years' time? If the money can be invested at a fixed rate of 4.2% per annum, compounded half yearly. Okay. The amount that I am getting back is $25,000 after 3 years. And the rate of interest is 4.2% per annum and the compound interest calculation is done twice in a single year, that is compounded half yearly. Okay, so let us start with our answer. So first of all, let us write the information that they have given us. A is equal to 25,000. I'm just skipping the units for calculation purpose. And in the time is equal to 3 years. For this I am, okay, let me write dollar over here as well. Fine. So 3 years. And the rate is 4.2% per annum. Okay. Now, since the interest is getting compounded half yearly, that means the compound interest calculation will be done twice in a single year. So, how many half years are there in these 3 years? Obviously 6 half years. Okay. So instead of this number 3, we have to take the number 6 because there are 6 half years. Okay. This is the modification that you have to do because the compound interest is getting calculated twice every year. Okay. And now what happens to the rate? Because they have given this rate that is 4.2% per annum, that is for a complete year. But since the calculation is done twice every year, therefore the rate should also get halved. Because it is half yearly calculation, the rate should also get halved. So 4.2 divided by 2 is equal to 2.1. Okay. So this is the half yearly rate. Okay. So 2.1% is the half-yearly rate. And we have to find the principal. So we just write, first of all, let me write the formula. A is equal to P. P is the principal that was invested, and 1 plus R over 100 to the power of N. So in place of A, I am writing 25,000. We do not know P. We have to find the value of P, and 1 plus, in place of R, we write 2.1 over 100, and in place of N, it is 6. Okay. So now we have to find the principal. So principal will be equal to 25,000 over 1 plus 2.1 over 100 to the power of 6. Okay. So now we have to use our calculator. So let me take it over here so that I can see the figures. 25,000 divided by 1 plus 2.1 divided by 100, and then I come over here to the power of 6. Okay. Two 22069.147. So I can take 22069.15. Okay. It is $22,069.15. Okay. So this is 22069.15. This is our answer. So let me write it over here. Investment, that is principal, is equal to $22,069.15. Okay, 0.15. This is our answer. So this completes our first question. Let us move on to the next question. After 5 years of making quarterly payments in her car loan, Riley has paid off her loan. She has paid a total of 32,546 Canadian dollars. If the per annum compound interest rate was 4.2%, the same rate per annum. This is important. This is the per annum rate, but she is making quarterly payments. So this should get divided by 4 because it should be 25% of this 4.2%. Okay, that is 4.2 divided by 4. How much was the loan for? This is exactly similar to the previous question. Over here, they are asking how much did Riley get at the beginning, because the money that she had received as the loan, she did not pay the same amount. She had to pay something more, some part more as the interest. Okay, so this is the amount which is the part that she had received as her loan plus the interest on that loan. Okay, so this is the amount, this is the rate, and this is the time, and they are asking for the principal or what was the loan, actual loan. I have just taken up this question because there may be students who just by looking at this loan, may be deciding that they will not be able to do this question. They have done questions on investment but not on loans. But it is exactly the same. Okay? So that is why I have just brought in this question. So let us start with our answer. Now again I write A is equal to $32,546. These are Canadian dollars. And then I can write in as 5 years and R as 4.2% per annum. Okay. And since she is making quarterly payments, how many quarters will be there in 5 years? There are 4 quarters in a single year. So in 5 years, there should be 5 times 4, that is 20 quarters. Okay. So this is the time period, 20 quarters. And what will be the modification for R? It will be 4.2 divided by 4, which is equal to 1.05. So the rate will be equal to 1.05% quarterly, compounded quarterly. Okay. Interest rate. Okay. So now again we will be applying the formula. A is equal to P and 1 plus R over 100 to the power of N. So this is A is in this case 32,546 is equal to P and 1 plus 1.05 divided by 100 to the power of 20. Okay. So P should be equal to 32,546 divided by, let me write it like this, I won't be getting space. Okay. So this is divided by 1 plus 1.05 divided by 100 whole raised to the power of 20. Let us see what is this equal to. It is 32,546 divided by, not multiply, sorry, divided by 1 plus 1.05 divided by 100. Fine. And to the power of 20. $26,410.17. Okay. 26,410.17. So 26,410.17. $26,410.17 was the amount, was the loan for. She had received this money as her loan, and she has to pay this amount, that is 32,546 Canadian dollars. This is also in Canadian dollars, which includes her loan as well as the interest for 5 years. Okay. So let us write the answer. Loan is equal to $26,410.17 Canadian dollars. Okay. So this is the answer for this question. So students, this brings us to the end of this session. Thank you for staying till the end. We meet again very soon. So till then, bye.